Guys, happy Monday. I'm on the way to my local grocery store to pick up some more fresh flowers. My number one life hack ever, keeping fresh flowers in the house. I always recommend. All the ones I have just died or are about to die. So kind of getting ahead of the game, about to pick up some more fresh flowers, and I'll show you what I get in a second. All right, let's get to it. When I go get my flowers, man, if I just need a quick run, Trader Joe's is normally the first choice, but Publix, man, Publix holds it down. All right, here we are. I'm gonna tell y'all something funny about myself. When I come get flowers, I don't even look and see what they are most of the time. I kind of just go off of color and whatever color strikes me, whatever color strikes me that day. So I'll probably do the same thing today. All right, so here's a look at one of the sets of flowers I got. I don't know what these are because there's not a label on it, and I have no clue. But color-wise, they look good. That's what I want. The vase that we're looking at here, too, is a Ling B porcelain vase. I actually got this from Design Within Reach a while ago. Very, very, very dope vase here. Yeah, I should have bought more. They were like on a sample sale or something. I don't know why I didn't get more, but yeah, shout out to the Ling B vase and shout out to these reddish pink flowers. Next up, here's the second set of flowers I got. Again, I still don't know what much of these are, but they look nice. And I wanted some other colors with this set here. This vase is something I got from this store called Commodity Fetish. They're a vintage store here. Lots of antique furniture, antique goods. The only thing they could tell me is that it's from Japan and it is pretty old. So it's enough for me to cop. It's enough for me to cop. It's old, it looks good, it's sturdy. All right, guys, it's about 3 o'clock right now. Only about 30 more minutes or so left in my regular 9-to-5 job before I sign out for the day and I can really get cracking on my personal projects. So let's finish this up strong, man. Work is done. It's time to get to another part of my day, one of my favorite parts of the day, whenever I get the chance. And this is mail time. So I'm gonna go through some packages I just got, see what I got. Some stuff I ordered, some stuff brand sent me, some stuff I don't know where it came from, but we're about to find out. First up, we have Kind Farms Inc. I know about this. This is some CBD products, so let's see what we got. All right, first on the list, we got some CBD muscle rub here. I'm a big fitness buff, man. I'll be tearing my body the fuck up, man. So shout out to Kind Farms for that. Thank you for that. Next up, we have just a CBD tincture here, which is always good too. Love it to relax, love it to wind down, peach mango. If y'all know me, you know I'm not the biggest mango fan, but a little bit of peach in there might be all right. We're gonna try that out. A little bit of peach will give it what it needs. Next up, I've been waiting on this. This is from Tier NYC, one of my favorite black-owned streetwear brands out there, based out of New York. Some socks. Packaging is elite. Look at that. Packaging is elite. Shout out to Tier New York. I was waiting on this for a while, so good job on those. Last on the list is from my good friends up at Lone Body Care. Lone Deodorant, Lone Body Care. I love these people. Extended family of mine. So I got a little something in here. I can't tell you what this is for just yet.
Don't tell nobody.
But there is one more thing I am going to tell you guys about before I'm out for the night. And this is my low-key snack of the year right here. If you have these in your store, you need to do everything in your power to go cop these right here. Snackable cookie dough bites from Ben & Jerry's. Come on. Let me have my fun with these for the night. Appreciate y'all rocking with me today. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.